Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys read the title and saw the thumbnail, then you know that in this video I will be reviewing the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. Shout out to Creme of Nature for sending me these products. Like, you guys are so freaking amazing. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but I got the product, so I figured I'll tell you guys how I like them. They actually sent this to me like a while ago, and I never got the chance to try it. Like, I've been busy here, there, a little bit of everywhere, and I finally got to try it this weekend. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys my thoughts on it. And I love me some Creme of Nature, so let's just get right into it. So this is the huge box that all the goodies came in. Inside the box you have the moisturizing dry defense shampoo, the conditioner, the breakup breakage leave-in conditioner, the knot away leave-in detangler, the moisture replenish and strength hair mask, the moisture rip twisting cream, moisture infusion edge control, and the texturizing curl setting lotion. So yeah, when I first opened up the box, the first thing that immediately came to my mind was Maui Moisture. This packaging looks almost identical to what Maui Moisture packaging looks like. Like, it even has the images along the side here. But this is exactly what Maui Moisture packaging looks like. So I was like, that's different. Let's get into the actual product. So the first thing I needed to do was wash my hair, because I hadn't washed my hair in like 3 weeks before I got around to using these products. My hair was super tangled, and I was like, I need to do some sort of detangling before I get in here and wash my hair. So I went in with the conditioner, and I used this as like a pre-poo treatment. And I didn't use a lot. As you can see, there's still, like, it's still pretty much full. I felt like it wasn't gonna have slip. Like, it wasn't as thick as I would normally like my conditioners to be, but it detangled my hair just fine. So I guess that was good. So once I was done with that, I went ahead and washed my hair. I used the shampoo that it comes with, and I don't know, y'all, it's just something about shampoos. I am not a fan of any shampoo, really. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like they don't excite me. It's like my hair is clean, I guess. Like, I guess my hair is clean since I just washed it 3 times, but I'm not really sure type of thing. And then it's like on the opposite end of that, my hair is like super stripped. So yeah, of course it's clean. You just strip every single ounce of natural oils from my scalp type of thing, which I also hate. But this one, I wasn't really feeling it. And I think it's because I don't like using sulfate-free shampoos. Like, sulfate-free shampoos don't feel like they're really cleaning my hair, and I don't like that. I don't like having to wash my hair 3-4 times just to make sure that it's clean. Like, I just want to wash my hair the normal lather, rinse, repeat, lather, rinse, done. Like, that's what I want my shampooing to look like, and it just didn't look like that with this shampoo. But whatever, moving on. So at this point, my hair is clean, but I need to deep condition because, like I said, I hadn't washed in a good 3 weeks. So I went in with their hair mask, and oh shoot. So I just opened it, and all of this product spilled out of it. So that tells you right there, it's not thick at all whatsoever. It's a very watery consistency. And I just told you guys that I like my products thick. So I wasn't happy about that, but it surprisingly did a decent job. Like, it's not the best mask that I've ever used, and if I had to recommend one, this wouldn't be in my top 5, but it did an okay job for what it was supposed to do. Like, my hair did feel soft afterwards, and I did feel like I had some moisture in my hair, so that's a plus. So now my wash day is complete, and I'm getting into actually styling my hair. So I tried to go in with this breakup breakage leave-in conditioner. This thing is in a spray bottle, but it has a pretty thick consistency, like out of the spray bottle. I cannot deal with spray bottle leave-in conditioners. Like, I have too much hair to be sitting there spraying this thing a bajillion times on each section of hair. Like, I do not have time for that. So I used it on the back of my hair, and I was like, okay, I'm done with it. So honestly, I can't give you guys an honest review on it. Like, I don't know if it's good or not. I couldn't use it because of the pump, so I just used the Knot Away leave-in detangler as a leave-in conditioner. Like, this stuff is super thick. Let me see if I can show you. This thing is like, look at that. Look how thick it is. Super freaking thick. So I went ahead and used about that size in my hair for each section, and I actually really like this product. I feel like it was moisturizing, but the only thing that I don't like about it is that I don't feel like it left my hair with definition. So usually when I use like when I start styling my hair and I put a leave-in, I can see the definition in my hair, like the frizz starts to go away. But with this leave-in detangler, I felt like I still had frizz in my hair as I was, you know, smoothing it through each section. So that I was like, I don't really know how I'm gonna like this wash and go. On top of each section, I did go in with the twisting cream as well, just because I like a lot of thick creams in my hair when I'm doing a wash and go. I feel like they leave my hair moisturized for the longest. The twisting cream is really thick. I loved it a lot. The one thing that I did not like about it is that my hair did not have the definition that I usually have. So for example, the coconut milk line from Creme of Nature is my absolute favorite. I believe I did a wash and go with just the cream on here, and you guys saw the definition that I got. This line, just for some reason, my hair was like, I'm gonna be moisturized, but I'm still gonna have a ton of frizz. Like, day one, as it was drying, I was noticing that it had more frizz than I usually see on day one, and I did not like that at all. Now the line also comes with an edge control, which I used today. I really like the edge control. Creme of Nature is bomb when it comes to edge controls. I feel like the edge control, it has hold, but it's not like a gel. Your edges are not going to be glued down to your head, but they are gonna have hold. Like, I did my edges this morning and it is after 7 o'clock, and you see my edges are still laid and slayed. So overall, I think the line is decent. Like, I would give it a C+. It's definitely not my favorite, especially coming after the coconut milk line. Like, come on, Creme of Nature. Like, I love y'all, but this is not coconut milk line caliber. The shampoo, okay, definitely not excited about it. Probably won't use it again. The conditioner, it was okay. Probably won't use it again. The leave-in conditioner that's in the spray bottle, I am gonna see if I can find another top to another one of my products that I'm not using, so I can like squeeze it into my hand and put it in my hair. I feel like it'll be decent, but like, I couldn't give it a fair shot because that pump is so annoying. The leave-in detangler, I definitely liked it, but I would have to use a product that's going to give my hair more definition. So maybe like a gel or something on top. Same thing with the cream, very moisturizing, just is not as good for hold as I'm used to with my creams. The hair mask, it was okay. I would probably use it again, but it's definitely not one of my favorites. And the edge control, I really liked it, so I'm gonna use it like every day probably. And you guys saw that I mentioned it also comes with this setting lotion. These liquidy things, like, I don't know what to do with them. Am I supposed to pour this in my hand? Like, I feel like this should come with a spray bottle, and the freaking leave-in conditioner should come with this top. Like, I don't understand what I'm supposed to do with this, so I probably won't use this either. Another thing that I really was not happy about is that this line does not come with an oil. Like, so after I did my hair and put the twisting cream in, I did go over each section with some sweet almond oil, just because I feel like I needed oil to like seal in the moisture that I had, and that's probably why my hair still looks the way it looks right now, because of that sweet almond oil. So yeah guys, overall it's decent. Definitely not my favorite, but I do want to use it to actually style my hair. So I'm going to be doing another video showing like maybe a flexi rod set, because I haven't done that in a while, using these products just to see like what results I get, because I'm interested to see how it'll hold up with an actual style. I'm not optimistic about it because it didn't even have hold for my wash and go, which is like my normal hair pattern, so I don't feel like it would have much hold for the style, but I'm willing to give it a try and show you guys the results. I'm not even sure if this line is out yet. If it is and you guys have tried it, let me know what you think. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some comments. Let's have a little combo about these products, and I'll see you guys in my next video.